How to play Helldivers 2 multiplayer. And today in this instructional video, I'll guide you through the steps to engage in multiplayer gameplay in Helldivers 2. It is relatively simple procedure, so ensure you follow along attentively. And throughout this video tutorial, I'll demonstrate the complete process of utilizing the social features within the Helldivers 2 to connect with your friends and form a united squad. The sole requirement is completing the tutorial phase, so once you finish, you'll emerge from a tripod and transition to your personal vessel. And here you can access the armory and prepare for the various missions. Following the briefing, simply press start or pause the game and navigate to the social tab in your game. This section enables you to leverage the multiplayer capabilities of the game. My suggestion is to initially access the Options tab, select the Gameplay section, and ensure that crossplay functionality is activated. This feature allows seamless gameplay between individuals on the different platforms such as PlayStation and PC. After configuring this setting, return to the Social tab where you should promptly locate your friend listed under the first category if they have completed the tutorial. As a PC player using Steam, I can view all my friends who own the game on the Steam from here, and I can easily invite them to join a squad or request to join theirs. By selecting your friend and opting to invite, a join, or a squad, you can establish a connection. Switching back to the Game tab will display both of you are united in the same squad. The squad can accommodate up to 4 players including yourself. If you encounter the scenario of playing on PC while your friend is on PlayStation or vice versa, the alternative method involves generating a friend code. Utilizing the search function to input this code and locate your friend, send a friend request, and proceed with inviting or joining them as before. This process supports up to 4 players in the same squad. I trust that this detailed explanation has clarified the multiplayer setup in the Helldivers 2, and if you found this video to be beneficial, please consider showing your support by liking and subscribing to the channel for more straightforward tips. Thank you for your viewership. See you in the next video.